Cassandra has natural regrowth at level 5 light brown, whilst the lengths and ends are cosmetic coloured at level 6 copper dark blonde. The target set is a mahogany red colour that will be created with a mixture of 5.6 red light brown and 5.5 mahogany light brown. Apply Milkshake Colour Specifics Powerful Protector to the entire perimeter of the hair. Prepare 2 formulas at the same time. Formula 1 for the regrowth, Milkshake 9 minutes, 15 grams of 5.6 plus 15 grams of 5.5, mixed with 30 grams of Milkshake Oxidizing Emulsion 20 volumes, 6%. And Formula 2 for lengths and ends, Milkshake Creative Colour 15 grams of 5.6 plus 15 grams of 5.5, mixed with 45 grams of Milkshake Oxidizing Emulsion 5 volumes, 1.5%. Proceed by creating the cross separation and apply the Formula 1 of Milkshake 9 minutes on natural regrowth. Start setting the processing time of 9 minutes. Proceed by applying Formula 2 of Milkshake Creative Colour over the lengths and ends. Minimum processing time is 5 minutes. At the end of the processing time, emulsify the colour with water to remove any residue from the hair and scalp, then rinse thoroughly. Apply Milkshake Colour Specifics Acid Colour Sealer, massage and leave on for 3 minutes. Without rinsing, shampoo with Milkshake Colour Sealing Shampoo, then apply Milkshake Colour Sealing Conditioner. Rinse and proceed with the desired style.